Your customers need answers, even when you're asleep. Missed messages often become missed sales. Today, you'll build a support system that works 24/7. Let's create your AI customer service team.
Welcome to this explainer. If you're running a small business, maybe you're a freelancer or an entrepreneur, let me just validate a very exhausting reality for you right out of the gate. You are wearing entirely too many hats. You're juggling the marketing, the admin, the client delivery, and then right when you finally close your eyes to get some sleep, a customer sends a message at 11 p.m. asking about your service. And by the morning, they've already gone somewhere else. I work as an expert consultant, and I see this happen literally every single day. Most founders don't even realize just how many sales they're losing simply because they're human and they need sleep. But today, I'm going to show you a completely streamlined, automated solution to fix this. And we're going to do it without spending a dime on expensive software and without writing a single line of code. Here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the small business support trap. Second, choosing your AI writers. Third, setting up Tidio Chat. Fourth, automating with Zapier basics. And finally, your complete support workflow. Let's get in there and transform that chaotic inbox. Okay, let's dive into part 1, the small business support trap. It's time we face the music about modern customer expectations versus the very real limits of human biology. Just look at the sheer pressure we are under. 90% of customers today expect a reply in under 10 minutes. 10 minutes. If you're asleep, if you're in a meeting, or heaven forbid you take a weekend off, you are missing that window. And the data shows us that 68% of customers will leave a brand after just one single bad support experience. So those missed late-night messages, they directly equal lost sales and completely damage trust. But hey, take a breath. Here is your immediate relief. It only takes AI 5 seconds to draft a complete professional reply. 5 seconds. Think about that for a second. You now have access to this tireless digital partner that doesn't sleep, doesn't ever get overwhelmed, and works around the clock to give your customers exactly what they crave, to feel heard, valued, and supported immediately. Now, as a consultant, I see beginners make the same 3 major mistakes when it comes to customer support. First up, replying too late. Like we just talked about, even a few hours can cost you a sale to a much faster competitor. Second is inconsistent tone. You know how it is, one day you're super warm and friendly, the next day you're totally stressed out and your emails sound cold. Customers definitely notice that. And third, having absolutely no organized system. Your messages are scattered across email, WhatsApp, Instagram DMs. It's a mess. We're going to use AI not just as a speed tool, but as a centralized system to guarantee consistent, warm communication everywhere. Moving right along to section 2, choosing your AI writers. Let's introduce the core employees of your brand new support team. Different situations need different tools, and you have 2 heavyweights to pick from here. There's actually a really brilliant difference between these two. ChatGPT is your go-to for raw speed. If you need to instantly draft a broad FAQ response or quickly handle a standard customer complaint, you give it some context, and boom, it is done. But Claude is exceptional when it comes to nuanced empathy. For highly sensitive emails, maybe welcoming a high-ticket client, or dealing with delicate refund requests, Claude excels at natural, deeply human-sounding language that never, ever feels robotic. So how does this actually play out in the real world? Well, take a look at this actual script generated by Claude for a small business. A customer asked for a refund 8 days after buying a course, but the business policy is strictly 7 days. It's a really tricky situation, right? But notice how Claude handles it. It validates the customer, firmly but kindly explains that 7-day policy, and then beautifully pivots to offer an alternative, like a free 1-to-1 session or a 20-pound credit. It completely maintains your business boundaries while entirely saving the customer relationship. It's a real game changer. All right, section 3, setting up Tidio Chat. Drafting emails in the background is fantastic, but we need a system that talks to your website visitors directly, right on the front lines, while you sleep. Enter Tidio. Tidio is an AI chatbot that you literally just install right onto your website. Now, I know the word chatbot makes a lot of people nervous, but let me completely reassure you, absolutely 0 technical skills are required here. This entire tool is designed specifically for non-coders, so you can provide instant answers to your website visitors 24/7. It is super simple to deploy. Step 1, you just pop over to tidio.com and create a free account. Their free plan actually gives you up to 50 AI responses a month, which is honestly plenty to get started.
Step 2, if you're using WordPress, you just search for the Tidio plugin, install it, and hit activate. Boom, it's live on your site. Step 3, you customize a really warm, friendly greeting that pops up after a visitor has been there for maybe 5 to 10 seconds. And finally, step 4, you just load in your automated FAQ responses. Things like, how do I access my course? Or when does the next cohort start? The bot reads those and answers visitors instantly.
Quick timeout though. As your consultant, I have to give you a very important warning. Do not let your chatbot freestyle on sensitive topics. You've got to set some boundaries. Tidio is absolutely brilliant, but you should never let it answer complex questions about custom pricing, refunds, or legal matters on its own. Always, always set your bot to hand those specific, sensitive queries off to a real human. Section 4, automating with Zapier basics. The front line is handled, so let's move to the back-end architecture and meet the invisible manager of your business. This invisible manager is a tool called Zapier. You can think of Zapier like a bridge. It simply connects the tools you're already using so they talk to each other, which means you don't have to sit there copying and pasting data all day. It watches for a trigger to happen in one app, and then it automatically performs an action in another app. And just like the other tools we're talking about, their free plan gives you 5 automations, which is completely enough to get your hands-free support up and running. Let's look at how this builds into a brilliant, beginner-friendly workflow. Picture this. Step 1 is your trigger. A customer fills out a contact form on your website. Step 2, Zapier instantly detects that submission. Step 3, Zapier automatically tells your Gmail to fire off an auto reply saying, hey, thanks so much, we'll reply within 24 hours. And step 4, Zapier instantly pings your Slack or sends you an email to alert you. So the customer feels instantly valued and heard, you look incredibly professional, and you just bought yourself 24 hours of breathing room. It is amazing. Which brings us to Section 5. Your complete support workflow. We've looked at all the individual puzzle pieces. Now let's step back and look at the overarching architecture of your brand new AI customer service department. So here is the whole shebang summarized for you. You've got ChatGPT on deck for those lightning fast quick replies. You've got Claude when you really need that nuanced, empathetic human touch for tricky situations. You've got Tidio handling your website visitors 24 hours a day. And you've got Zapier quietly tying the whole thing together behind the scenes. And let me just remind you, if you are an overwhelmed small business owner, you can build this entire multi-layered beast of a system at 0 cost to start. Every single tool in this list has a very generous free tier. I mean, just look at the after state of this business makeover. With this setup, you suddenly have 24/7 customer replies. You've locked in a warm, professional tone every single time, whether you're replying on a Tuesday morning after coffee or a Sunday night when you're exhausted. Absolutely no customer is ever left unread, shouting into the void. You are going to capture more sales simply because you're responding way faster than the other guy. And most importantly, you're going to save hours of your own time every single week. You are equipped, you're empowered, and you are totally ready for massive growth. So I want to leave you with a bit of a challenge. What is one lingering, difficult customer question sitting in your inbox right this very second? Go grab it, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, give it a tiny bit of context, and just let it generate a professional reply for you. Experience that magic firsthand. Because if AI can solve your biggest headache in exactly 5 seconds, what else is possible for your business once you finally let go and let the systems work for you? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. It is officially time to reclaim your time.
Today you built a complete AI customer support workflow. Use AI to answer one real customer question today. Tomorrow we'll automate even more of your business.